Hi guys, and welcome back to your third last lesson of maths with Michelle. So for today's session you're going to need pencil, paper and your colour pencils. Okay, so your learning intention for today is to be able to round any whole number to the nearest 10. Okay, so we have done rounding before. Some of you guys might find this easy, but that's fine because the task is going to be more challenging for, there's two challenges. So although this is only rounding to the nearest 10, the task will require hundreds and thousands as well. Okay, so your starter, what I want you to do is write down the rules for counting up in nines or the 9 times tables. So write it down and then what happens every time you add 9. What's the rule? What's the pattern like? Pause the video for a few minutes and have a go at explaining that. Okay, so data balloon pop. Data balloons are launched to collect information on different things, for example, temperature, wind speed, etc. Wind speed, etc. The data collected is used by scientists. Can you select the right balloon without popping the wrong ones? Select the data balloon that shows 3 tens. So we have been, your tens, hundreds, thousands. You should be able to identify all of them because we've been using them throughout the year in all the different topics. So numbers are used in all the topics, fractions, measurements and everything. So you should be able to identify 3 tens. So pause the video. Which balloon has 3 tens? Excellent. The yellow balloon has 3 tens because it's 939. 3 tens. Can you select the right balloon without popping the wrong ones? Select the data balloon that has 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds. Excellent. It's the blue balloon that has 5 hundreds. That's 3,593.4. Can you select the right balloon? Again, so select the balloon that has 2 ones. 2 ones. Excellent. It's the brown balloon. So 12.4. So 12, that's the 10 and the 2. Select the data balloon that has 7 tens. Excellent. It's the green balloon, 476. 9 thousands. Excellent. It's the purple balloon, 6 ones. Excellent. It's the yellow balloon, 1000. Excellent. It's the green balloon, 5 tens again. Well done. It's the purple balloon, 900. Good. It's the blue balloon. Which balloon has the 2 ones? Excellent. It's the yellow balloon. Okay, rounding is a way of making a number simpler, but it's still close to its original value. Rounding makes it easier to describe and understand numbers. It can make calculations easier as you will be working with simpler numbers. We round numbers anytime we're not being exact about a number. For example, if we describe a distance as about a mile, we're rounding the exact distance to a simpler number. Or if we say an activity takes about 30 minutes, we're rounding the exact time to a simpler number that is easier to understand. When we round a number, we say which number it is the nearest to. This might be the nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands number. In order to round a particular value, we need to know which digit to focus on and tells us whether to round up or down. The rule for identifying the digit to focus on is to look at the digit in the place before the value we're rounding to. For example, if we want to round to the nearest 10, we will look at the number in the ones. This is because the ones are in the place before the tens. Let's look at some examples. Our first step is to identify the tens numbers either side of this number. So that's 5,620 and 5,630, so it's the next 10. We need to then decide which tens number or our number is nearest to. We can do this by placing it on a number line. So it's 5,623 to the nearest 10. So in this case we are rounding 10, so we focus on the ones digit, which is the 3. The digit will tell us whether to round up or down. If the digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we go down, and if the digit ends in 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we go up. If the digit is in 5,623, the digit we need to consider is a 3, so we round down. We can also see on the number line that 5,623 is nearer to 5,620 than to 5,630. So if I was to travel from 5,623, it would be quicker for me to go to 5,620 because I only have to take 3 steps. Whereas if I was going to go up, I would have to take 7 steps, and 3 steps is shorter than 7 steps. So 5,623 to the nearest 10 is 5,620. Let's try a different number. Round 4,956 to the nearest 10. So pause the video for a few seconds and see if you can round this number. Our first step is to identify the tens on each side of the number. We then need to decide which tens our number is nearest to. We can do this by placing it on a number line. You can also do this by focusing on the digit in the place before the value we're rounding to. In this case we're rounding to 10, so we focus on the ones digit, which is the 6. The digit will tell us whether to round up to 4960 or down to 4950. If the digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. In 4956, the digit we need to consider is a 6. We round up. You can also see that on the number line that 4956 is nearer to 49560 than to 4950. So 4,956 to the nearest 10 is 4,900. So your task for today is to create a top tips poster for rounding to the nearest 10. And challenge 2 is to create a poster for rounding to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Good luck with the task, guys, and hope you enjoy. See you tomorrow.